In this video, I'm going to teach you how to assemble your Synapse case for your Apex lockpick system. One of the great things about the Synapse case is it allows you to customize the layout to your preferences. Some people would prefer to have their turning tools on the left and their picks on the right, while others like myself prefer to have my picks on the left and my turning tools on the right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your Synapse case in my preferred method, but just keep in mind, you can swap the sides with either the turning tool tray or the pick tray. It's completely up to you and your preferences. In your order, you'll receive our turning tool tray. It comes with 2 fusion straps and our mod ergo turners. You'll also receive your Evo pick tray, which will have the 5 picks that you selected based on whatever Evo you selected. In this case, we'll be working with the Evo 2. You'll find our top of keyway turners, our 2-in-1 precision bottom of keyway turners, and a logo puck. Start by removing your turning tool tray, fusion straps, and mod ergo turners from their bag. For now, you can set the mod ergo turners off to the side. Also, you can set the side without the hinge on it off to the side as well. To start, all we need is our turning tool tray and the fusion strap with the hinge on it. We want to make sure that when we start, the hinge is on our left side and the turning tool tray is facing the proper direction, with the open area at the bottom and the depth markings for the mod ergo turners at the top. Start by flipping both the fusion strap and the turning tool tray over. Next, insert the bottom corners of the tray into the fusion strap first. Then, on the hinge side, bring the top corner over the tray. Then flip the whole thing over, and using your thumbs, you're going to press up on the strap, and with your fingers, you're going to press down on the tray. Once you have that corner over, go ahead and flip everything over and make sure that all the corners are seated properly and that the strap is properly aligned all the way around the tray. Once you have that done, the turning tool side of your Synapse case is complete. We can set this off to the side. Next, go ahead and take your Evo pick tray out of its bag. For this step, I find it easier to remove the picks before I get started. Now, you'll need your Evo pick tray and your other fusion strap. In this case, you want to make sure that the slit for the hinge is on the right side and that your pick tray is oriented properly with the magnets across the top. Just like before, we're going to flip both of these over, and first we're going to put the bottom corners into the fusion strap. Next, on the thicker side of the strap, we're going to bring this corner over the top of the tray. Then flip the whole thing over, and just like before, we'll use our thumbs to press up on the strap and our fingers to press down on the tray. Again, flip everything over and make sure that the fusion strap is properly seated all the way around the tray. And now, your pick tray is complete. Next, we're going to combine the turning tool tray with the pick tray by putting the hinge through the slit. Start by lifting the slit up to make room and place the top part of the hinge in the slit. Then slide it upwards and pull this part of the slit over the top of the hinge by pressing the hinge through. And your hinge is complete. To close your Synapse case, simply press this side to the right, press down, and then press it to the left. Your Synapse is now complete and locked together. To open it, just reverse those actions. Press this side to the right, lift up, and you're all set to go. Next, we can start inserting our tools. I'm going to start with the bottom of keyway turners. They just go on these two magnets right here. Next, we're going to do top of keyway turners, making sure that the short end is at the top. And lastly, we're going to do our mod ergo turners. In this case, you'll notice that there's markings for the thickness of the turners, so make sure you put them in the right spots. And there are all the turning tools in the turning tool tray. Next, we can add our lockpicks back in. And now, our Apex Synapse case is complete. Again, to close it, bring the top over, slide it in to lock it in place, and you're all set to go. There's just one last thing to do, and that's to add our logo puck. So go ahead and remove your logo puck from the bag, and take a look at it. On our logo puck, you'll find a small dot. And on the back of the Evo pick case side, you'll see a small arrow. Line the dot up with the arrow and the puck will fit perfectly. Then just rotate the puck until it's in the proper orientation. And that's it. This is a 100% complete Synapse case for your Apex lockpick system. I want to take a minute to talk about the fusion straps and why we went this direction. They do a couple different things. One, they actually add a soft rubber protection around the outside of your case in case it's dropped. This is very common in things like cell phone cases. Two, it allows more modularity of the case. Because you can remove trays in and out of the straps, it allows you to customize it in a much more efficient way to meet your needs. And three, it gives it a nice concealed look as well that locks your case together. By simply sliding the case, you are actually locking it shut so it's harder to open. And if you drop it, your tools won't just fall out. Yet with a simple press of the thumb, the case opens easily. If you happen to have multiple sets of our Evos or other lockpicks, the nice thing about this case and this system is you don't have to remove the Evo pick tray to swap out your picks. Because all Evo trays are identical, you can simply just remove the tools from this Evo tray and swap them with another one. So in this case, let's say I didn't need my deep hook, and instead I'd rather have a gem. I can swap them around and I'm set to go. Again, maybe I don't need my quad rake, and instead I want a DeForce diamond. I can also just swap those around. And now I have the tools I want. The Synapse case is discreet and rugged and made for carrying your favorite tools, not all your tools. We're currently already working on other evolutions for the Apex pick system as well. Something coming out in the future will be actually a set of our bypass tools as well as just lockpicks. On top of that, for those of you who love your Reaper Turner tools, we'll also be releasing a turning tool tray specifically made to fit your Reaper Turners. In the future, we also plan to sell just our fusion straps independently. What this will allow you to do is that if you have two different sets of our Evo lockpicks, you can actually carry them together. So with one strap, you can have a turning tool tray and a pick set, and with another strap, you can have another case put together that's all picks. This way, you're able to carry more of your favorite tools with you on the go. Another unique feature of our Apex lockpick system and Evo trays is that they stack together. Line them up, click them together, and you're set to go. This is a nice way to travel and carry your picks with you. And in the future, we will have a lid to go over the top to protect your top picks as well. It'll also double as a pinning tray, so you have the ability to gut locks on the go or at home. We hope this video helped you understand how to put together your Synapse case and also let you know what's coming out in the future. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.